Hi, good day or good afternoon, Dr. Seres. My name is Ruxi Kisom. ID 2025 31093. Yeah, you can confirm with my ID here. That's my ID. Uh, I'll be presenting taxation case study for Alice and Albert for the 2024 tax year in Papua New Guinea. I'll look at the different income sources, how the PNC tax laws apply, and what advice would best suit them. Uh, this report or presentation will be based on the Papua New Guinea PNG Income Tax Act 1959, the Foreigners Benefit Tax Act 1986, and the IRC guidelines. Alice has two sources of income: her employment salary and her small business. Albert has only business income from his consultancy. The presentation will cover how their income is taxed, what deductions they can claim, and whether they are qualified for a small business tax regime or not. Alice earns 50,000 from her job as an administrative officer. This is taxed under the salary and wages tax, which use the PAYE system, which the employer deducts tax before the payment. Her employee also paid 3,500 in school fee for her children. This counts as a friend's benefit, but the employer is the one who pays the friend's benefit tax, not Alice. Alice qualifies for a dependent rebate since she has two children. This reduces the amount of tax withheld from her salary. In addition to her job, Alice runs a small hairdressing business. Her sales total 55,200 after adjusting for opening and closing stock and reducing expenses such as rent and bookkeeping services. For her net business income is 51,500. Because her turnover is below 250,000, she is eligible for a small business tax regime, which offers simplified compliance and reporting. About Albert, Albert operates a consultancy business. His total income was at 220,000, including amounts invoiced but not yet received. Under PNG's accrual rules, that income is still taxable. After deducting expenses such as staff salaries, superannuation contribution, depreciation, and balancing adjustment, Albert's net taxable income is 299,900. Since his turnover is above the 250,000 threshold, he is not eligible for small business tax regime and must remain under the general tax systems. My final advice to them, Alice, is to keep her PAY records accurate, claim her dependent rebate, and register her small business under the small business tax regime to save on compliance costs. For Albert, my advice is to stay within the general tax business general business tax regime, and so all records are properly kept and consider strategies like superannuation contribution to manage its long-term tax position. In conclusion, Alice has both salary and small business income. She qualifies for a small business tax regime, which will help reduce her compliance tax cost. And Albert, on the other hand, earns a much larger business income and remains under the general personal tax system. For both, accurate record keeping and full compliance with internal revenue commission requirement is essential. So that's all, and thank you very much.